Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to set up a stop loss and take profit inside Tradovate. First, open your trading platform and go to your order entry panel. Before placing a trade, you can prepare your stop loss and take profit using what is called a bracket order. To do this, look for the ATM or Advanced Trade Management settings near your order panel. Click on the settings icon. You can create a new strategy or edit an existing one. Inside this menu, you will see options to add a stop loss and a take profit. Enter the number of ticks or the exact price level where you want your stop loss. Then enter the price or ticks for your take profit target. Save the settings. Now when you place a buy or sell order, your stop loss and take profit will automatically be attached once the trade is filled. Always remember, on a long trade, your stop loss goes below your entry. On a short trade, your stop loss goes above your entry. That is how you set up stop loss and take profit in Tradovate. Thanks for watching.